How to send a Canva presentation to Gmail. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now this is actually going to be very simple and easy to do, so let's just go ahead and get to it. So obviously you can just go ahead and create a presentation on Canva, obviously if you did not know. So just go to canva.com, create your presentation. You can just go ahead and click on presentation right away from the home page if you don't know how to. Click on this and you'll be able to even select a template if you want to, and then you can just go ahead and obviously change the elements to something that you will like. In my case, I'm just going to be using this one because I'm not really going to be creating a template, so I'm just going to apply all of them, and then it's just going to take a little bit of time here, but we have our presentation. So once we have our presentation ready to go, the next step is going to be downloading the actual thing. So click on share on the top right, click on download, and then you just want to click on the file type and change it to PPTX, which is pretty much PowerPoint presentation. Once that's done, we can just go and click on download. Let's just go ahead and wait for this to load real quick, and it should actually download to our desktop in a sec. Like so. And once we have this, all we need to do is just go ahead and open up our Gmail in a new tab. And I'm just going to go to Gmail real quick. And once you're in your Gmail, you just want to go ahead and click on compose. Obviously, you would want to go ahead and add the person you want to send it to. So I'm just going to go for another email of mine here that I'm just going to add. And then you can add your subject. So this is the presentation you have requested or something, and then you can just go ahead and go to the bottom here where you'll be able to attach files. Go ahead and click on that, and obviously you will be able to browse your files and get the proper PPTX file that we just downloaded from Canva, which is the PowerPoint. So just go ahead and double click on that, click on open, and now let's just go ahead and wait for this to load fully. And now we can just go ahead and send it, and it should be good to go. If instead for some reason you don't want to send a file and you want to send a link instead, just go back to your Canva design and just click on share. But this time instead of download, you just want to go ahead and get a public view link, which should be here at the bottom. Click on that and then just go ahead and grab one. So create public view link. And just go ahead and copy it and paste it in your subject. So you can just go ahead and do that. And go ahead and highlight the entire link and click on insert link at the bottom here. This way it's actually going to be clickable. So once that's done, you can just go ahead and click on send. And you're pretty much good to go. You sent out your presentation in both file format and also a link format. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.